Hello, since this is going to be a really short video, I'm going to cut it straight into the app demonstration using the Android Studio emulator. So as you can see, this is how the application icon will look like. So we'll click on that, and this is how it starts up. Okay, so for the features explanation, there are basically only two key functions. The first one being the ability to add new tasks which can be done by pressing this plus button on the upper right side of the screen. So we'll click that, and it will bring us the add new task window, which the user can input anything, for example by some bread, and at this point the user can either add them to the list or they can cancel them. So for now we're going to add them, and as you can see, when we click the add button, it will add the inputted task into the list. This task will remain in the database for as long as the user does not remove them manually. Even crashes or force shutdown does not erase this data. The user can input as many tasks as they want. So for example, we put task 1 and task 2 and then another task. Oh, and it can also support multiple lines of text. So for example, if we put maybe description 1, description 2, description 3, it if we click add, it will show all of the lines we inputted, so it's not going to cut them or anything. All of these functions have satisfied the design requirements, both the functional and non-functional, which can be seen on the project report. All of these functions are made possible by using codes, uh, particularly this one. So it basically tells the database to enter whatever the user input is to the database and then reload the my task list. And this brings us to the second function, which is the ability to remove the task from the database, effectively erasing it from the task list. This can be done by clicking on the red X button located on the right side of each and every task on the list, as you can see here. This function also has satisfied the functional and non-functional requirements stated on the project report. This delete function is done by this code, which then will be called by the main activity, and it basically means that to remove this task from the database and then reloads the list. And that is basically all of the functions this application has to offer. A side note, this application is able to support split view on some phone that supports it, but unfortunately for some reason this emulator does not support split view, which is supposedly is around right here. So yeah, and goodbye, and thank you for your attention.